family react to all this when they see like, oh, like do you get recognized quite a lot in Bombay at least? वहाँ से even. So when you're walking around with them, suddenly you have like अभी तो मतलब selfies आ गया. How does your family react to it? To all of this?
So I think
Are they prepared? Do they know कि हाँ ये होने वाला अभी घर से निकल के नहीं they are like ये तू चल. The treatment is the same around. Your closest people are still your closest.
So I think the best is when it happens with in front of dad, because for every son this father-son relation is this complex emotion जो हम लोग explain नहीं कर पाते. तो मैं हमेशा से चाहता हूँ कि dad के सामने कुछ हो
अच्छा ऐसे.
Because so dad, this is a fun fact, dad has not attended a single event of mine till date. Even if in Mumbai he's not attended.
Oh wow.
So majorly interaction show पे ही होते हैं. So he's not seen all that. Now there is this one incident. So we were going to Panvel और हम KFC पे रुके थे. So now KFC पे like I ordered and my sister was along with me, and order आया and then suddenly they recognized, like the KFC people, the KFC people recognized. So उस पे मतलब बातचीत हुई and then they gave me complimentary chicken. Alright, complimentary pieces, and I'm just like, great, awesome, amazing. Then they said, sir, can we have a photo? And I was like, great, amazing. तो मैं अंदर गया और बेस्ट पार्ट है मेरे पीछे लाइन लगी है
और सब खड़े हैं बस like
they are just looking at what the hell is happening. मेरे पीछे प्रॉपर एक 40 साल का अंकल खड़ा है, 40-50 साल का अंकल है. एंड मैं अंकल इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ बिकॉज हिज फेस वॉज द अंकल फेस, यू नो, लाइक ही इज जस्ट ग्रम्पी अबाउट एंड ही इज लाइक ये लड़के में ऐसा क्या है जो इसको इतना ट्रीटमेंट दिया था, अंदर क्यों ले जा रहे हो इसको. एंड देन दे आर क्लिकिंग एंड फोटोज सडनली आई सी माई डैड इज स्टैंडिंग देयर एंड आई एम जस्ट लाइक
finally
oh yeah
you got your
so मैं बाहर आया एंड तो उनको पूरा बताया कि यू नो दिस कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री चिकन, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री कोक, फोटोज तो आपने देख ही लिए. एंड आई ऑब्जर्व माई डैड, लाइक वो ऐसे हो गए थे, ऐसे वो जो ऐसे सीना चौड़ा हो गया था, बट हिज रिएक्शन वाज just like, come on, react, let's have a conversation about this, because so my dad strongly feel like we do not discuss this a lot.
Okay.
Because उनको लगता है मैं चढ़ जाऊंगा. He is very proud
Which
about
is a very father thing to do. To be like, हाँ, okay, let's तू कर अपना.
मेरी मॉम तो सीधा जमीन पे ले आती है ब्रो.
I think that's very nice. I think it's nice to have someone who will just keep you in.
ब्रो जमीन पे लाना ठीक है, मेरी माँ धूल चटवा देती है मेरे को. लाइक आई रिमेंबर शायदो पैनी जब रिलीज हुआ था एंड जब मिलियन हिट हुआ था, तो एक चीज़ होता है ना कि ओ मैंने मिलियन हिट किया है, लाइक आई हैव गॉट एन एटीट्यूड नाउ, ये वो हो गया था. तो मैं घर आया एंड आई वॉज वेरी प्राउड अबाउट दिस फैक्ट एंड एवरीथिंग, लाइक. तो माई मॉम्स लुकिंग एट मी एंड देन सडनली शी इज लाइक, एक काम करो, नीचे से पाव लेकर आओ, नीचे से पाव लेकर आओ, दिस इज किलिंग द मोमेंट. ठीक है, गया, पाव लेकर आया एंड ये लो. शी इज लाइक, क्या सीखे? आई एम लाइक, ओ लॉर्ड, क्या सीखे? तो आई वाज जस्ट लाइक कि नहीं, मतलब इतना प्राउड नहीं होना चाहिए, ऐसा वैसा. एंड एकदम हाफ हार्टेडली जवाब दे रहा हूँ. एंड माई मॉम्स आंसर इज, बेटा ये हमारी लोकेलिटी है, तुम पाव लेने उतरे, वापस आ गए, तुम्हें किसी ने पहचाना नहीं, तुम्हें किस बात का घमंड है?
Wow, that was such a savage moment.
And then I realized, हाँ यार पॉइंट है. मतलब मुझ में कभी घमंड आएगा ही नहीं अब, जब तक मैं एक सड़क से ना गुजरूं जहाँ पर हर नज़र मेरे को देख नहीं रही ना, तब तक मैं कहता हूँ खुद से कि तब तक घमंड आने का कोई मतलब ये पॉइंट ही नहीं आना चाहिए कि क्यों हो तुम घमंडी. तुम्हें क्या हर कोई पहचानता है? तुम्हें क्या हर कोई प्यार करता है? हर कोई इज्जत कर रहा है तुम्हारी? तब तक घमंड मत लाओ.
And since you mentioned this, so your mom and your sister have come watched it.
Yeah.
And I don't know, this is personally me. If I have family member, I've had my brother come in, and it's not as comforting. When it's comforting when you have unknown faces, and suddenly you have one family member. So how they've come for a lot of some shows in Bombay. I'm assuming some shows.
Yeah, moms come for 3 gigs.
How's the first time when you knew that your mother's sitting in the audience?
So मॉम को मतलब लाइक ऑफ कोर्स फर्स्ट सीट देनी थी फर्स्ट रो की, बट व्हेन शी एंटर्ड मैंने उनको पहले से बोल के रखा था आई एम नर्वस, लाइक एवर सिंस इट वाज डिसाइडेड दैट मॉम्स कमिंग फॉर दिस शो आई वाज शिट नर्वस. आई लाइक माँ आई कांट लुक एट यू इन दी ऑडियंस. तो मॉम फर्स्ट रो की कॉर्नर सीट में बैठे.
So at the corner.
या एंड एग्जैक्टली वहां पे ऐसा डार्कन करके रखा है ताकि दिखे नहीं मेरे को, कुछ रिएक्शन कुछ नहीं दिखना
And
चाहिए.
what show was this?
दिस वाज द फर्स्ट मिराकी मुंबई में.
Okay. So
दूसरी
Coco Club,
बार
small space.
हाँ, एंड दूसरी बार वो स्पोकन,
Oh.
सीधा स्पोकन. एंड ब्रो स्पोकन के अंदर माय थॉट वाज लाइक मॉम नहीं दिखेगी, इतनी भीड़ है. ब्रो आई स्टेप,
First row. I think she was in the.
या मैं माँ 5 बजे से आके बैठ गई थी ना. लाइक मैं यही से देखना चाहती हूँ अपने बेटे को. मैं जस्ट स्टेज पे चढ़ाऊँ और मैं देखा और लाइक ओ देयर यू आर एग्जैक्टली वेयर आई डोंट वांट यू. सो लाइक पूरा फन हो गया था वो ब्रो, क्योंकि एंड आई रियलाइज दैट इट्स सच एन इम्पॉर्टेंट मोमेंट फॉर देम इन देयर लाइफ, बिकॉज ड्यूरिंग स्पोकन जब पूरा परफॉर्मेंस चल रहा था, बीच बीच में जब मैं उनकी तरफ देख रहा था, यू नो देयर इज दिस प्राउड मोमेंट दे हैव इन देयर आईज, जब ऐसा आग भर आई है बट वो रो नहीं रहे, बस आग भर आई है. एंड आई जस्ट लाइक वाओ, दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई वेटेड फॉर सो लॉन्ग. दिस एग्जैक्टली व्हाट हैप्पीनेस माइट फील लाइक. दिस मोमेंट कि आपने अपनी माँ को ऐसा फील करवा दिया कि शी इज़ प्राउड ऑफ हैविंग यू एज अ सन.
Thanks, guy.
Emotional moments.
But thank you for sharing. That was very personal, but very nice journey of seeing of how a performer's life looks like at
Yeah.
home and outside. There's like this comparison going on.
पावले कराओ.
I'm gonna remember this. Paulika. Very nice, sir. Very simple and deep learning.
Yeah, you know
Is the
those.
mom also a writer?
I think she is. बट यू नो दोस थिंग्स दैट आप अपने माँ बाप से सीखते हो और आप फिर अपने बच्चों के ऊपर आजमाना चाहते हो. लाइक जब मेरे बच्चे हो गए यही करूँगा. दिस पाव ले आओ इज एग्जैक्टली दैट.
I've had many instances where I was like, हाँ ये exact same example देके I was like, हाँ I'll explain, but it's not going to be relevant.
Yeah.
10 years later, 15
I
it's
swear.
not going to be relevant. You have any specific exercise for writer's block, or you just leave it कि आज छोड़ो, आज नहीं?
तो मैं गाने सुनता हूँ.
Okay.
बहुत सारे गाने सुनता हूँ. एंड देन आई गेट डाउन एंड आई गो टॉक टू पीपल. एंड उसके बाद भी अगर सॉर्ट नहीं हो रहा ना ब्रो, लाइक आई एम नॉट इवन किडिंग, मैं अपना नोट पैड खोलता हूँ, मैं सिर्फ टाइटल लिखता हूँ कि मुझे इस टॉपिक पे लिखना है. आई जस्ट कम बैक टू इट प्रॉबेबली आफ्टर 3-4 days, बट आई एम जस्ट लाइक आज कुछ तो लिखना है. टाइटल ही सही, टाइटल ही सही, लिखना है.
I think subconsciously you're putting a seed कि
Yeah.
ये idea पे मुझे कुछ तो आने वाला है. You keep thinking about it at the back of your head. Even though I've realized the minute you put this, the conversations you have with people somewhere bring this slowly कि हाँ I was thinking about this and this happened and that happened and I feel. But that's a very nice thing. So now moving to, this is a very interesting thing because we shoot videos here. So I wanted to ask, is it important to make a video of all the pieces you've performed?
No.
And I knew the answer, but anyways, how do you decide कि अच्छा this I understand the satisfaction that you have as a writer कि ये piece honest है and this has to go out, but how do you come to a finalized thing कि हाँ this has to be shot and this has to be put out?
So I think I read my pieces and I'm just like, if I still feel very vulnerable after reading them, I don't put them online. I'm just like, अगर मुझे पता है कि ये जाएगा एंड इसके ऊपर अगर किसी ने कुछ भी ऐसे नेगेटिव कह दिया और मुझे चोट पहुंच जाएगी तो मैं उसे नहीं शूट करता. आई एम जस्ट लाइक टिल आई गेट इन अ स्पेस वेयर आई कैन टेक क्रिटिसिज्म फॉर दिस पीस, आई विल नॉट पुट इट अप. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, ऑल एज आई से मेरे सारे पीसेस है ऑनेस्ट, तो मेरे को डर नहीं लगता ऊपर डालने में. But I wait. I'm just like, I want to try it out with people. I want to see how audience reacts to it. What is working for them, what is not working for them, and then I upload it. But majorly यही है कि will I be fine if I get criticism for this piece? If I'm not fine, I will not put it up, like, because वो बहुत चोट पहुंच जाएगी.
But isn't it good to be vulnerable? Like, isn't it? I mean, I understand the feeling, like it hitting you because anyone saying something because so dear to you. But don't you feel ki being vulnerable is nice? It's warm in its own sense, except this whole criticism part.
It is, but like उसके ऊपर अभी जैसे अगर मुझे सेंसलेस गाली भी मिल गई ना तो मेरे को बहुत गुस्सा आ जाएगा.
Okay. So
बहुत गुस्सा
small
आ
thing
जाएगा.
that would otherwise
it would
wouldn't
just,
matter.
हाँ,
इस पे it'll matter to you.
बहुत पिंच होगा. एंड you know, there are a lot of things that are so close to your heart that you are not ready to share it with the world. Those are exactly those pieces जिनका अभी तक वो वक्त नहीं आया कि दुनिया इतना झाँक कर तुम्हें देख सके कि वो देख ले.
हाँ.
वो अभी भी तुम्हारा हिस्सा है और बहुत ज़्यादा करीबी हिस्सा है. शायद किसी दिन बाहर निकाल पाओ.
So all the pieces you have put has been from you being vulnerable to reaching this
Yeah.
safe space where you're like, हाँ ठीक है, ये I can put it out there now.
One piece that took the longest time is मैं लिखूंगा तेरे बारे में.
Yeah,
Longest time.
because you were feeling very close to you. So it's very time relevant at that point. I think it's fair then. You need to think about your own space more than anything else. It's your piece. After all, like, even though you're giving it to the audience, it's still your piece. It's your
Exactly,
baby.
yeah.
So I think it's very important. So you perform in multiple places. How do you decide your set list?
Every time someone comes to pick us up from the airport, मैं वो लोग से बात करना शुरू करता है. देन धीरे धीरे मैं पूछता है कि तुम अपने शहर के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत बताओ. And they give me like a few insights about the city, about the college. Then we go have street food or like proper authentic food of the city. Like कभी तो try out करना है वहाँ का, कुछ तो try out करना है. आप वहाँ का स्वाद समझ जाते हो ना, आप वहाँ के इंसान को समझ जाते हो. तो वो पहले खाना खाओ, फिर आप बस ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हो कि ये जो यहाँ पे लोग घूम रहे, what is so different about them from your own city. So I think these few aspects helps me to like kind of reconstruct my script when I'm going on stage, because although the pieces are the same, but हर piece के बीच में एक connecting conversation जो होती है, वहाँ पे अगर मैं अपनी ऑडियंस को रिलेटेबल नहीं लगा या वहाँ पे कुछ ऐसा नहीं बोला जहाँ पे वो लाइक अरे ये तो मतलब हमारे शहर की बात कर दी इसने. सो आई थिंक या.
Okay, moving on, we have a small game segment for people who are going to comment saying it's from Coffee with Karan. No, it's not. Anyways, so you
There is no coffee in this cup, guys.
Only if they knew what's there. Nice. But
All right then.
so you have to. So I'm going to give you two options, and you're going to choose one and answer why. Okay. Yeah, I know it sounds like Coffee with Karan. It's not. So what matters when you're writing? Quality, quantity, and why?
क्वालिटी, क्योंकि क्वांटिटी बहुत सारे लोग बना रहे हैं.
That's very true. Would you like reading more poetry or prose, and why?
पोइट्री क्योंकि बचपन से वही पढ़ रहा हूँ.
Since school, yeah.
Since school,
Everyone
since
has
school.
read.
Yeah.
You went to ICSE, CBSE?
ICSE.
Oh man. So you did Shakespeare in like 8,
Yeah.
9, 10. Oh. Fuck. Okay. Performance or writing, and why?
I can't choose because both are like equal for me. Writing or performance, दोनों important है. Yeah.
Nothing. You can't. Not, there's no slight nothing. Sub same. Literally 50-50 baby.
Performance 51 or writing 49.
It's a performance. So which was why? Because it's a live interactive.
More because I am more of a performer and less of a writer.
Okay.
मतलब कंटेंट 19-20 होगा तो मैं परफॉर्मेंस में 20 कर दूंगा वैसा.
Editing yourself or constructive criticism from a fellow artist? I'm loving this.
Yeah.
You were like, oh.
Like I think constructive criticism from another artist.
Okay.
क्योंकि एडिट तो तुम करोगे ही करोगे ही समवेयर थोड़ा बहुत बट यू ऑलवेज गो टू एन अदर पर्सन व्हेन द वॉइसेस इन योर हेड हैव फेल्ड टू आंसर योर
Why?
वाइज कि लाइक कहाँ गलत हूँ मैं कहाँ गलत हूँ कुछ तो इनकम्प्लीट लग रहा है तो दैट्स व्हेन दे रियली आर हेल्पफुल
Where do you love performing? Home turf or outside?
एवरीवेयर जहाँ
Let's
स्टेज दिखा वहाँ
Let's do a 51-49
Mm-hmm.
home turf or outside. Where if you had to grade them?
51 out 49 home
Out because you're meeting newer people.
because everyone is an unknown person and
Oh,
everyone
very nice
who's gonna give an reaction is going to be so 100% honest and so unbiased.
that's true. They don't
घर
have
पे
any
तो
fear.
घर वाले आते हैं तो
घर वाले का अलग है. When you listen to a poem, is it more emotional or is it more logical? When you listen to anyone's poem, where does it hit you first?
emotion.
That's your
But it again depends on the poem यार like बहुत चीज़ें पहले logic पे hit करती है बाद में emotion बीच में आता है. It's like a lot of things like majorly it goes for the emotion because I try to like absorb it here.
So just before you go on stage, what are one or two rituals that you have to do every show?
मैं 2 बार डकार मारता हूँ.
Okay. Okay, that's a
Just
honest
so
and a
that
nice one.
just so that
show पे
मुझे stage पे नहीं होना चाहिए. And bro like I think every time I have walked on stage यहाँ होती है bro and I'm just like
आजा
आजा please आजा that is one and second is stage को छू के ऊपर जाना
That's every stage, every time you perform.
every time
I think it's very important to know what you're going to be stepping on and how important it is to you. So very nice to be grateful. So what are 3 bits of advice you'd like to give to someone who is going to be attending their first open mic?
oh be honest be open to criticism and do not write for views like
It's very important. The last one is very important.
Very important.
I think
And-
we're living in a time where मतलब अभी तो थोड़ा कम हो गया है. I remember 6 months back, every day open my Facebook, I had 3 new videos from 3 different channels, and it every day was, and it at a point it became a game of numbers. That's all, and I feel like you lose out a lot of your honest self in like numbers basically when you tie it to that.
ब्रो स्पेशली बिकॉज ये बैकग्राउंड ना ब्रो तो जनता इधर आती है यही सोच के कि हम सुनाएंगे और फिर कोई वीडियो बनाएगा और फिर
A lot of people, I think, do that at open
So,
mics,
yeah,
like,
that.
on their phones. When you watch someone, if let's it be Amandeep or any other performer that you watch at a show, when someone performs really well, what is your first thought?
खड़े होके ताली बजा दो ब्रो
That's a very nice. That's a very immediate,
या लाइक
immediate effect.
if I see someone performing in a way where I found their honest self also the content was so beautiful that you connected मतलब एक बार यहाँ कनेक्ट कर दिया ना तूने मेरे साथ और तू वो मेंटेन कर पाया मैं खड़ा हो जाएगा ब्रो तेरे लिए
What are 3 things you've learned about yourself as a performer?
I am more confused than I thought I was.
That's a very nice learning. To get clarity on the thought that you are
You're
confused.
Bro, I am surprised by the extent to what I can love a person.
Okay.
And third, importantly, I have understand that most things that I hated about myself are the things that have shaped me.
I think that's a very important learning.
So I'm just trying to accept them like
Perspective.
yeah, just
So you're trying to accept them through writing,
yeah.
just putting yourself and putting it out there. You do a lot of shows, you meet a lot of people. What are the misconceptions that people have about you? General, like, har jagah people have come up to you and be like, do you do this? Are you this person?
सर आपका नाम सच्ची में याया है
Or I think it's a stage name.
Yeah, they think it's a stage name. So I like स्टार्टिंग में तो मैं आधार कार्ड निकाल के I'm just like this is
like yeah. Okay.
that is one. Second is सर आपका तो मतलब बहुत दिल टूटा होगा सर एंड
Okay.
आई होप यू आर नॉट डिप्रेस्ड एंड आई लव द कंसर्न अबाउट इट बट दिस इज अ मिसकंसेप्शन दैट आई एम नॉट लाइक इन अ डिप्रेस्ड स्टेट ऑल द टाइम लाइक मैं खुश होता है आई नो हाउ टू स्माइल एंड वर्स्ट इज लॉन्डे आके जब बोलते ना भाई आपने तो जिंदगी में कितनों को डेट किया होगा एंड आई एम जस्ट लाइक ब्रो तेरे पास क्यों लगता है नहीं सर एक के साथ इतना लिखना तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं था ग्रेट
Good misconception. Wow.
Yeah.
बहुत मचाया आपने is the
बहुत मचाया होगा सर आपने तो लाइक आई वांट टू सी माय लव लाइफ फ्रॉम देयर परसेप्शन लाइक माय लव लाइफ लुक्स सो इंटरेस्टिंग फॉर देयर परसेप्शन लाइक सर क्या जिंदगी होगी सर आप तो कभी सिंगल रहे ही नहीं होगे आप बताओ अभी किसको डेट कर रहे हो जस्ट
Wow, it literally went from a statement to personal attack. And the final one, and I think you keep getting a lot of messages where people ask you, how do I do this? What do I do? I'm in this city, I'm in that. How important is an open mic for a person who's starting out new? And like, why is it important? What is the whole point of an open mic?
I think more than how important an open mic is, what is important is who all are attending those open mics.
Okay.
अगर आपके ऑडियंस में ऐसी जनता बैठी है जो आपको वाहवाह ही देने वाली है
Then there's no.
there is no hope for you. Like you will never progress or get better because you've got appreciation. तो ऐसा लगता है अरे ये पीस तो अपनी चरम सीमा पर तक पहुंच गया लोगों ने तारीफें कर दी तालियां बजा दी बात खत्म आई एम जस्ट लाइक टिल 5 people don't get up from that audience come to you and you're like you know you could improve here you could improve there and it makes sense
Then,
तब तक the open mic thing doesn't make sense to me at all but yeah
on that amazing note.
oh that amazing no
note, I want to say thank you so much for being honest, blunt, funny.
ब्लंट
reminding
तो
me,
बाकी रह गया ब्लंट बाकी रह गया
post this. But
Yeah.
Thanks so much for being a part of this. It really means a lot. And I really hope I keep watching you do this stuff for good. And this year and all the coming years gets you more shows, more movies, more work related to writing, maybe directing someday. And continue performing. Just continue doing what you're doing. I think you've given tons of people inspiration, which reflects on your work. And thank you so much, man.
Inshallah. And thank you so much, man. This has been such a great segment to have with you because we've had interviews, but it doesn't feel so personal.
Yeah.
So this is so good to have a proper heart-to-heart conversation. So thank you so much for this, and I hope that scratch pad sessions go. So I really hope that scratch pad sessions really go like way ahead, and you really get recognized for this because I hope you get the recognition you deserve.
These were my 3 major learnings while I was sitting with Yaya. 1, sometimes you dislike a lot of things about yourself, but I think it shapes you. 2nd, stick to your close friends and family members because they're going to be there through thick and thin and they're going to help you stay grounded. And 3, set a goal and make sure you do whatever it takes to achieve that goal.